Hi everybody. I'm kind of laughing because I have a marble worktop and it's right in top of, oh, I need to show you these handles. Aren't they completely beautiful? Look at them. Those are the kitchen handles and that is burnt Japanese wood. And so it's a marble worktop and we have some Galaxy. Arthur and I are going to be working in my house this afternoon and the Galaxy's melted because underneath the marble worktop is the washing machine, and the washing machine, because it's a washing machine tumble dryer, has, so look, my very melted Galaxy, but I think I can still cope. Okay, so we've had a question, so I'm ready with a cup of tea, just about to have some chocolate, and then Arthur and I are working on some of the nice education things for you guys this afternoon, which is really exciting. So, stages of how to manage a refurb if you haven't done one before. Now, those of you that have run property projects, you'll sort of slightly giggle at this because you'll recognise that one stage can, if you like, bleed into another or lead into another. Nothing is as clean and as simple as I'm going to make it sound, but let's just talk the beginner's guide to refurbing a property. All right, first thing is get everything out. Typically, you'll either pay for a skip or you'll get a guy with a tipper van. Oh, and you can hear my washing machine in the background, can't you? See, domesticity and chocolate. And typically, if your builders are using expensive men to do this, you know you've got the wrong builders. Typically, your builders will want to be using apprentices for that kind of work because it's basically get in there and get all the rubbish out. And then you're going to do wind and watertight. So what does that mean? It means windows, it means roof, it means checking if there's any water ingress, any wind ingress, and basically getting the shell of the building wind and watertight. Next, you're going to do any structural stuff. So here, for example, we took down, there you go, there's the extension, but we took down a wall, which meant we had to put in an RSJ, which is a steel beam, and so we put all the structural work. And then you do first fix. So first fix is the first fix of the wires and the plumbing and any heating primarily. So what you'll end up with is you'll end up with bits of copper pipe sticking up and out, and the kind of drainage parts for the toilets. See, like these lights here, you won't have the lights, but you'll have the wires sticking down, ready to have the lights screwed on. So that's called first fix. Then you'll do any of the kind of continuing any additional structural work. So like, say we had to take this out here and then we put another wall in, we'd be having 2x4 and then plasterboard and all the rest of it. And then you would do second fix, which is basically, finishing any structural work, probably any tiling, ideally in a perfect world, quite a fair amount of the painting, but not everything, because you want the final decoration to be after everybody else who's maybe a little bit dirty has come out. And then you do second fix. So second fix is sticking the toilet on, sticking the shower to the pipes that you've already attached, sticking the lights onto the lighting cables that you've already put through the floor, all of that stuff. Then you do final decoration, painting and carpet. And then, and before you've done all of that, you do the garden, and then you close the door, get it sold or rent it out. So, wind, watertight, first structural work, first fix, second fix, painting, carpet, boom, gone. It's not as simple as easy as that, but that is typically what you do in a kind of classic vanilla refurb, which is get in, turn it around in 6 to 8 weeks, maybe 10, and get out again. For bigger refurbs, what's going to happen is you're going to work with your architect. They're going to do you M&E drawings, so you'll have drawings to show where the ventilation will go, where the plumbing will go, where the lighting will go, and these are all building regs drawings, and that's easier. But for smaller refurbs, there's no point paying an architect for that because it's just too small a refurb. Hope that's helpful. I'm going to eat some melted chocolate and then work on some of our education stuff. So if you want any of the education, it's on our website, which is thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. Subscribe to our videos just now, and we tend to publish them one a week, Monday to Friday. Every now and again I forget, but that's only because I forgot. So if I haven't published, you'll be like, Suze, you can send me something on Instagram or Facebook going, come on mate, and have a good day, and I hope it goes really well for you guys in property. Bye.